There you go.
Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Okay, we're going to do an unboxing. This is something that I got for Christmas that we're going to work on. Not going to tell you what it is. Here's the instructions. You already know it's a base, but I'll show you what we got here.
Ooh. Wow.
And this bad boy has some serious plans ready for it. That's the body. This is all the hardware. I don't know if you need to see that or not. I'll show it to you anyway. Barely can see it. There's the cover. And this is all the stuff we need to put it together. And if you can tell from the body and pick guard, it's a Music Man shaped instrument. And here, obviously, is the neck. Also, this has plans. We're going to do the neck. That's the neck. Already has a nut installed. So yeah. Rosewood fingerboard. I don't know if it's real rosewood or not, but rosewood fingerboard. And where we got this from was, it's a Harley Benton Music Man bass kit that we're going to do something special to. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Just going to surprise you with the finished product. Okay, later people.